Align the TimberSteel ridge vent over the ridge and run it directly into the rake edge metal flashing. Fasten it in place through the nailing holes, penetrating a minimum 3/4 of an inch into the roof deck. Install a TimberSteel rake edge flashing peak cover by bending it to conform with the ridge vent. Hand nail it in place with 4 TimberSteel 3-inch ring shank nails, 2 on each side. Then lock the first hip and ridge cap shingle into place by engaging the leading hem onto the rake peak cover. Hand nail the cap in place with 2 3-inch ring shank nails, 1 nail per side. Continue installing the cap shingles to the end of the run, interlocking each hem with the previous cap shingle and nailing it in place through each slot at the top. At the end of the run, install another TimberSteel rake peak cover, bending it to fit the ridge vent and nailing in place with 2 nails per side. Put the last cap shingle in place, fully engaging its hem. Then mark the cap so it extends a 1/2 inch longer than the rake edge peak cover and cut it to length. Install the final cap shingle by fully engaging its hem with the previous cap shingle. Then bend the edge of the cap shingle over the lip of the rake edge peak cover, locking it in place.